Hello everyone, we are Team 8 and I am Siddharth Pandya. We are going to present second presentation of our product Smart Spice Rack. This is the updated minimum viable product. You can see the main assembly consisting of the number of ports. On the upper cover you can see the LCD display screen with push buttons. We have also shown 4 different ports with rotor blades and smart LED display. Updated use case scenario shows how a user can use this product. We have provided a push button to turn on and off the device. To store a recipe, the user needs to click on Store Recipe, then select the port number and enter the amount in grams. A user can get accurate contents by using the rotor blades. We have designed rotor blades in such a way that the measure between two adjacent blades is half tablespoon. Smart LED display reflects level indication of respective ports. In case of malfunction, the user can press the reset button to reboot the system. These are the value propositions we have discussed in previous presentation.
Hi, this is Sriram and I'll be explaining about the three customer segments and the insights of the customer segments. In the first insight of the customer segment, it is being focused on the Windsor region, which is mainly based on small families and their basic needs. In the second insight, it focuses mainly on a certain age group and they would require the spice rack with some smart function. These age group people are between 18 to 25. Finally, the third insight, which mainly targets on the professional workers who have a very busy lifestyle. The smart spice rack will help them to manage their cooking needs and their life cycle.
My name is Arpit, and I'm gonna be talking about our main three key partners. That is NITS Technology, Jiglios, and Lakshmi Thermoforming. NITS is going to help us with all the electronics needed in our product. Jiglios is our selling partner, and Lakshmi Thermoforming is our manufacturing partner. Now talking about the BOM. BOM mainly consists of the main board, power unit, sensors, display, and the main assembly. We have three variants of a product. The first one is the smart one, the second is the smarter one, and the third one is the smartest one. The cost described in the BOM above is for the topmost variant of a product. It will cost us close to $110 to which has a RFID chip to transmit the pod level information wirelessly.
Hi everyone, I'm Venkat Sakin. I'm gonna explain about Gantt chart. This chart shows the total number of days we have spent on each task. We spent 60 days on planning and covered 3 sections. Next we spent 34 days on resources, which is divided into site allocation, repairing IT resources and human resources. And we spent 13 days on prototyping, in which designing of all the components took 8 days and assembling of all the parts took 5 days. Key resources. It is divided into 3 sections: physical, financial, and human. We need around 1000 square feet office to design, assemble, and test the equipment. Then, in financial, the prototyping requires around $46,467.99, and in manufacturing requires 119.87 per unit. In human resources, we don't need any extra persons for prototyping, and we need only extra employees for manufacturing.
Hi, this is Arnold. I'm here to explain about the product variants, fixed, variable cost, and the break-even points. So the product variants are smart, smarter, and smartest, which cost around $99, $180, and $220 respectively. So the smart one has no display and no memory, where the smarter one has a smart display. So this means that they display the level of spice using RFID technology, and the smartest also has a memory, so it was used to store the spice consistency for each recipe. Cost expense for the first year includes the physical resources that has 1,000 square feet office. It also includes a laptop, the furniture, stationery, and the softwares that we use like ARCAD, Proteus, SolidWorks. And the human resource is just the 5 of us. We don't hire any new employee to just do the prototype. And the marketing materials, the bank fees and all is mentioned below. And the intellectual resources for patent filing and registration and trademark maintenance and registration are all listed. That would be around 46,467 for the fixed expenses for 1 year. Cost for the smartest one is 110 mentioned in BOM. So for 500 products it'd be $55,065, and the cost per unit including the variable cost would be $119.87. So to calculate the break-even point, the fixed price is 46,467, and the selling price for the smartest variant is 220, and the variable cost is 119.87, which comes around 464 products. So we'll have to sell 464 products and above to start profiting from a company. Thank you. The reference used for the break-even calculator. Thank you.